Okay. Now, when doing telescoping series, they don't necessarily have to like be right next to each other, the cancellation. Let's see one that is a little bit separated. So in this case, let's say we did S sub capital N. Okay. All right, and you have to write more terms on these. So if I begin with n which equals 1, that would be 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 4. That's a 4. And then plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 5. And plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 6. And then plus, now 1 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 7. And plus 1 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 8. And then we'll do plus dot dot dot. And we'll put a plus sign right there. Okay, so it's best to start at the end. 1 divided by capital N plus 3, and then minus 1 divided by capital N plus 2. Try to squeeze these in here. All right, plus 1, sorry. I'm thinking about what I'm about to write next. N plus 2. All right, 1 over n plus 1 goes down by 1. That'd be 1 divided by n. That's subtraction right there. N plus 2, 1 divided by n plus 1, minus 1 divided by capital N minus 1, like that. Okay. Now, if we look at this one, negative 1/4 is going to cancel with somebody on the opposite side. Okay? So 1/4 is going to cancel with 1/4. Now, negative 1/5 is going to cancel with positive 1/5. Right? Negative 1/6 is going to cancel with positive 1/6. Now, negative 1/7, there would be a guy, a positive 1/7 that would exist inside of the dot dot dot. Negative 1/8, there would be a positive 1/8 that would exist within the dot dot dot. Okay? All right. Now 1 over n plus 1 and 1 over n plus 1, they would cancel each other out. 1 over n would cancel with somebody over here, which would be its negative. And 1 over n minus 1 would cancel with somebody on the interior as well. So, in this case, what are we left over with? We're left over with S sub capital N equals 1/2 plus 1/3 minus 1 divided by capital N plus 2 and minus 1 divided by capital N plus 3. Okay. Now if we take the limit as capital N tends towards infinity of S sub capital N, both of these terms are going to go to 0, and so we're going to end up with 1/2 plus 1/3. So that's 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6, which equals 5 divided by 6. Okay, so that one's a little bit more complicated, and when it comes to the question's been asked in the past, like how many terms should you really be writing out? Just as many as you need until you see the pattern. Okay.